Record highs across the board, no news. Not a lot of whole big news. The good thing, coronavirus numbers seem to be going down. That's sending oil a little bit up, but here's the thing. I don't know if that's going to be sustained. A lot of people are taking their money out of oil, and it was a mini pop. It was not the full recovery that we needed. We were expecting oil, it's been getting killed on coronavirus. A lot of flights aren't happening. The cruise companies are getting destroyed. Nobody's going on cruises. Lots of people are getting sick on cruises. There's that one boat off of Japan. So the oil companies have been getting crushed, and they were up like 2-3% today. Super highly leveraged. Not a good play to be in. I would avoid oil at all costs. Not a good place to be. Don't buy oil. A lot of people are going to say, buy oil, buy the dip. This is not a dip you buy. Avoid fossil fuels. It is not the future. It is not a good long-term play. If you're going to do something, maybe buy some options. I don't really dabble with options. I'm either up 1,600% or I'm at zero with options. That's kind of just how it is. I do them once in a while as a spec. This is not a spec you do. It's very clear that fossil fuels aren't going to be around for the long term. If you're listening to me, you're making long-term investments. You're probably young. You're somebody who wants to make money in the long term and make a lot of money in the long term, and oil's not the play for that. You might make money for next week, and then the week after, you're going to be down. Avoid oil. Not a whole lot going on besides that. We're kind of just waiting to see how things develop. Bernie Sanders won yesterday. Let's see how that affects the market. A lot of people are saying Trump's going to destroy the market. No big deal. Trump's the best president ever for the market. Bernie Sanders is a whole different story, and he's actually going to pose a serious threat to Trump. I'm somewhat concerned. I obviously think Trump is going to be reelected, and I think it's going to be a complete landslide. I don't think Bernie Sanders has a chance. I think Trump is the most loved president ever right now, and once the election comes in, we're going to see the two go head-to-head, and people are going to realize why that is the case and why people love Trump, and they're going to start loving Trump as well, even the skeptics. So I wouldn't be concerned there. Now, we've got the concerns with Google, Amazon, Facebook, Apple, big tech. The FDIC is trying to go after big tech, examine their mergers and acquisitions. They're kind of concerned over some monopoly claims, and they want to make sure that nothing is going to happen that's bad in the long run. So they want to investigate that, possibly break up those companies. Now, there might be an opportunity to pounce on this. If you can model it correctly, you can buy something like Facebook, which has a sum of the parts effect potentially, that is greater than the current valuation. So Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, if those companies individually are worth more than they are combined right now in the valuation, if the FDIC does something and makes them break up, you're going to make a lot of money. So if you believe in that, if you want to make that bet, I'm behind that bet. That's a good long-term bet that makes a lot of sense and could make you a lot of money. But it is a bet. So play your cards right and you might end up winning. Besides that, that's the market for today, and we'll talk tomorrow. Peace.